morning, students. Right. Now I'm going to discuss Vespert theory. Vespert theory. Vesper theory. Vesper theory. What is Vesper theory? Vesper. Valency. Valency. Shell. Valency shell. Valency shell. Electron. Valency shell. Electron pair. Electron pair. Repulsion. Electron pair repulsion theory. This is the Vesper theory full form. What is Vesper theory? Most important one. Valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. This theory was proposed by Gillespie. And Nyholm. This theory was proposed by Gillespie and Nyholm. What is theory? It tells what type of matter it explains. Now we discuss Vesper theory. According to Vesper theory, the geometry of a molecule, shape, the geometry of a molecule depends upon the number of electron pairs. Simple. The geometry or shape. Geometry means shape of the molecule depends on the number of electron pairs. Electron pair means either bond pairs or lone pairs also. Bond pair means to participate a bonding. Lone pair means extra pair of electrons. Like this. What else about Vesper theory? According to this theory, the geometry of a molecule which depends upon the number of electron pairs. Electron pairs paina shape of the molecule depend outundi. Electron pairs. First of all, what are electron pairs? Either bond pairs or lone pairs. Bond pairs avachchu, then lone pairs also. Bond pairs means to participate in bonding. Lone pairs means extra pair of electrons. Then second point, when the central atom in a molecule is surrounded by bond pairs but not lone pairs. Then then the molecule will have a regular shape. Simple. When the central atom in a molecule is surrounded by bond pairs but not lone pairs, then the molecule will have a regular shape. Normal. That means absence of lone pairs. Simple. Lone pairs absent ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ సెంటర్ ఆటమ్ సరౌండ్ చేస్తూ కంప్లీట్ బాండ్ pairs ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ మాలిక్యూల్కి షేప్ రెగ్యులర్గా ఉంటుంది. దెర్ ఈజ్ నో చేంజ్. That means simple example we take some examples. H2O, NH3 and CH4. The center atom only 2 bond pairs. There is no lone pairs. NH3, one is lone pair, center atom, 2 lone pairs, 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. Then NH3, only 1 lone pair, they are bond pairs. In case of CH4, there are 4 bond pairs. Here bond pair, here lone pairs. Number of bond pairs here 2. Number of lone pairs here 2. Number of bond pairs 3. Number of lone pairs 1. Number of bond pairs 4. There is no lone pairs. Simple. This point example. When the central atom in a molecule is surrounded by bonded electron pairs but not lone pairs, then the molecule will have regular geometry. The best example is CH4. CH4, the center atom carbon. The carbon is surrounded by all our bond pairs like this. All are bond pairs. So there is no lone pairs. In this type of molecule have a regular geometry. You take example, all are same hybridization. All are same hybridization like sp3, then sp3 and then sp3. All are same hybridization, but differences between electron pairs like bond pairs and lone pairs. In case in CH4 molecule, the center atom carbon is surrounded by all our bond pairs. There is no lone pair. In case you take second example, nitrogen. In ammonia molecule, nitrogen center atom 3 bond pairs and only 1 is lone pair. This is the regular shape. This is the distorted shape. The third example, H2O, 2 are bond pairs and 2 are lone pairs. In case lone pairs absent ఉన్నప్పుడు regular shape. Then next point, if the electron pairs, if the electron pairs surrounding the central atom, surrounding the central atom, repel adjacent electron pairs repel adjacent electron pairs more strongly. The repulsion is expected to increase in the following order. Increase in the following order. Like BP means bond pairs, and bond pairs, lone pairs, and lone pairs and lone pairs. This point meaning a central atom contains number of electron pairs like bond pairs and lone pairs also. In case only they have only bond pairs only. The repulsion between bond pairs is more strong than bond pairs and lone pairs. It is more strong than lone pairs and lone pairs. Simple example. The molecule is H2O. It is the water molecule. In the water molecule, the center atom is oxygen. Oxygen is surrounded by two number of hydrogen. That means bond pairs and two lone pairs. At the bond pairs, they are the lone pairs. The repulsion between two bond pairs are more strong. These two are the bond pairs, more strong. Then repulsion between bond pairs and one lone pair. The repulsion between bond pair and bond pair more strong than bond pair and lone pair, like this. Again, the repulsion between lone pair more strong compared with bond pair and lone pair. The repulsion between bond pair strong. Compare with bond pair and lone pair repulsions more strong. Compare this one. Lone pair and lone pair repulsions are more strong. This is the concept of this theory. Next point. If greater the repulsion between electron pairs, greater will be distortion. Distortion in the geometry of molecule. Simple. Simple in this point meaning more repulsions between the electron pairs, more distortion. Simple. More repulsion between the two lone pairs, so more distortion. This point. Compare with this one. Repulsion between bond pair and lone pair. This is the more distance. Compare with this one, two bond pairs. Simple. More repulsions between the electron pairs, more distortion between the electron pairs. Next point. Repulsion between electron pairs filled in shell is greater than in an incomplete shell. This is the Whisper theory. The simple and best examples. The simple and best example ఈ టేబుల్ ఫామ్లో చెక్ చేద్దాం. Best example, CH4 Whisper. What is Whisper theory? ఏం చెప్తుంది చెక్ చేద్దాం. CH4 NH3 and H2O PCl5 and SF6 అన్నీ చెక్ చేసి సింపుల్. A molecule geometry depends upon the electron pairs. Simple Whisper theory, simple explanation. The molecule geometry it only depends on the electron pairs. The electron pairs are two types, bond pairs and lone pairs. Examples check చేసుకుందాం. CH4. In CH4 molecule, the hybridization is LR sp3, then sp3 and sp3 also. For sp3 hybridization, 3 are the example. Already we discussed CH4, NH3 and H2. For PCl5, sp3d. For SF6, sp3d2. The molecule structure, take some structure. CH4, the center atom is C, carbon, hydrogen, then hydrogen and hydrogen. All are bond pairs. There is no lone pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are bond pairs. There is no lone pairs. Lone pairs number 0. According to Whisper theory, the molecule geometry, which depends only on electron pairs like bond pairs and lone pairs. Here we take one example, CH4, the hybridization is sp3, the molecular structure is this one. There is no lone pairs, only bond pairs. So the shape of the molecule is regular way. The shape of the molecule in a regular way, that is the shape of the molecule is in a regular way. That the shape of the molecule tetrahedral. There is no change in the geometry because of there is no lone pairs. Complete all are bond pairs. Lone pairs absent అయినప్పుడు complete గా bond pairs ఉన్నప్పుడు the molecular structure regular way ఉంటుంది. The bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. The bond angle, you take any two bond pairs, the bond angle 109 degrees and 28. You take any the distance between any bond pairs, bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. In case of NH3, nitrogen, here also same. Nitrogen is the central atom same as it is 3 hydrogens like CH4. Instead of this one lone pair is present. Here bond pairs are 3, only 3 bond pairs, 1, 2, 3 like that. Lone pairs, here one is the lone pair. Due to present of one lone pair, introduce of one lone pair on nitrogen, the shape of the molecule complete change because of in lone pair electrons are introduced at the central atom. So the shape of the molecule pyramidal shape. Why change the molecule shape? Because of a lone pair to introduce at the central atom. Here bond pair, here lone pair. So lone pair introduce అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ కంప్లీట్ ఈ 3 హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఏమవుతున్నాయి అంటే the distance ఏమవుతుంది, decrease అవుతుంది. I mean the distance between any two bond pairs decrease. So the bond angle will decrease. The bond angle is 107 degrees 48 minutes. Not 7 degrees, 48 minutes. In case same as here, center atom is carbon, here nitrogen, here oxygen. Only 2 hydrogens are there. I mean 2 bond pairs are there. 2 lone pairs are introduced. Due to 2 lone pairs are introduced, the bond pairs are 2, then lone pairs also 2. The shape of the molecule also change because of 2 lone pairs are introduced. The shape of the molecule bent shape or V shape. Due to 2 lone pairs are introduced, the bond angle will decrease between the 2 bond pairs. The bond angle will decrease. The bond angle is 104 degrees 31 minutes. In case of sp3d hybridization, what is the example? PCl5P, phosphorus is the central atom. Here chlorine, then here chlorine, here chlorine, chlorine, then chlorine. Here all are bond pairs 5, then 0. The shape of the molecule trigonal bipyramidal. This is the regular shape of this molecule because of there is no lone pairs. So bond angle 120 degrees and 90 degrees. In case of sp3d2 hybridization, the example is SF6. S, F, F, F. All are fluorines. All angles, at all angles are fluorines. This is the same here also. All are bond pair. There is no lone pair. So the regular shape is octahedral. Octahedral. The bond angle is 90. The distance between any 2 bond pairs, bond angle is 90 degrees. This is the Vesper theory. Here also in Vesper theory also some limitations also. Some limitations. The first limitation is first limitation is Vesper theory. Vesper theory fails. Vesper theory fails to predict the exact bond angles in a molecule. Exact bond angles in a molecule. Simple. Bond angles ni exact bond angles ki explain చేయాలి. Simple example, H2O and NH3 and CH4. CH4 bond angle ఎంత 109 degrees 28 minutes. In case of NH3 107 degrees. In case of H2O 104 degrees. ఎందుకు డిస్టార్టెడ్ అయినా కంప్లీట్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ కేస్ సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, it fails to explain the shapes of certain compounds, the shapes of certain compounds of transition elements, this is the Vespert theory of chemistry. Once again I repeat, what is Vespert theory? Vespert theory, valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. This was proposed by Gillespie and Nihon. According to Vespert theory, the geometry of the molecule, which depends only on electron pairs, they are the either bond pairs or lone pairs. In case when the central atom in a molecule is surrounded by only bond pairs, the shape of the molecule is regular way. Simple example, H2O, PCl5 and SF6. In this type of molecules, there is no lone pair, so the shape of the molecule is regular way. In case of H2O, V shape, SF6 octahedral, then PCl5 trigonal bipyramidal. The electron pairs surrounding the central atom repel the adjacent electron pairs more strongly. The repulsion expected to increasing in the following way: lone pair between the lone pair repulsion is more strong than bond pair lone pair is more strong than bond pair and bond pair. This is the Vespert theory. Check the notes. This is the Vespert theory. This is the Vespert theory. Then the next topic is orbital. Simple orbital. What is orbital? The region space around the nucleus where probability of finding electron is maximum. Simple definition of the orbital. The probability of the finding electron is maximum. Simple definition. Probability of finding electron is maximum. Electron ekkada undo find out chese space ni emantamu orbital antam. The probability of finding electron is maximum, that is called orbital. In case of probability 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 of finding electron is minimum. There is no minimum, that means node. Probability of finding electron is maximum, is called orbital. Probability of finding electron is minimum, is called node. Simple difference. Probability of finding electron is maximum, is called orbital. In case of probability of finding electron is minimum, is node. This discussing topic orbitals. There are 4 types of orbitals: S, P, then D and F. We take SPD orbitals. We discuss about SPD orbital shapes. First of all, what is S orbital? What about S orbital? First point, S orbital. For S orbital shape, spherical shape. Here L equal to 0, I mean azimuthal quantum number is 0, so n equal to 1, then L equal to 0. Principal quantum number is 1, then L equal to 0. The increasing energy of S orbital 1s, 2s and 3s, like etc. The shape of the molecule of S orbital is spherical shape. This one is spherical shape. There are 3 types of angles. Take 3 types of angles: X, Y, then Z. These are the main 3 points. Enough. Shape of the molecule spherical. Then here for S orbital n equal to 1, it means principal quantum number, then L equal to 0 azimuthal quantum number. Increasing energy order 1s and 2s, 3s, like this. The shape of the molecule is one. In case of p orbitals, for p orbital shape, dumbbell shape. For p orbitals, first point is shape, second point dumbbell shape. Second point, for p orbital n equal to 2, L equal to plus 1 or 3 values. L equal to only 1. 1 means plus 1, L equal to 1, enough. Equal to 1. M values also plus 1, 0 and minus 1. These are the N means principal quantum number, L means azimuthal quantum number, M means magnetic quantum number. For p orbital, n equal to 2, principal quantum number, L equal to 1, azimuthal quantum number, M equal to 3, plus 1, 0, then minus 1. There are 3 p orbitals like this: px, py, then pz, like this. All are the same energy, nothing but degenerate orbitals. All orbitals having same energy. dumbbell shape. So x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, sorry, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This is the plane. So px, same as this. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So plane here, py. In case here plane like this, so pz, x, y, z. So for p orbitals, shape of the molecule dumbbell, n value 2, l value 1, m value 3 values plus 1, 0, minus 1. They are px, py, pz. All are shapes of the p orbitals. For d orbitals, for d orbitals, shape of the molecule, shape, double dumbbell shape. Here n value 3, l value either 1, l value 2 also, l value 2 also. In case l value 1, already we discussed, orbital is p, then l value 2, orbital is d, then m values are, here m values are -2, -1, 0, +1, then +2. These are the 5 orbitals having d orbitals like this. They are dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, then dz square, like this one. X and y, dxy. In case same as this, y and z, so dyz, z and x, dzx. In case here y, here x, so dx square minus y square, dz square. They are the orbitals, complete orbitals. The probability of finding electron is maximum, means orbital. The probability of finding electron is minimum, is called node. There are 4 types of orbitals, s, p, d, f. Only 3 types of orbital shapes and explain చేస్తున్నాం. s orbital shape spherical, then n equal to 1, l equal to 0, n equal to 1, l equal to 0. So the shape of the molecule is spherical this way. Then p orbital, for p orbital shape of the molecule dumbbell, then n equal to, l equal to 1. For l equal to 1, m values are 3, px, py, pz plus 1. 0 into minus. For d orbitals, shape of the molecule double dumbbell, n value 3, l value 1. In case of n value 3, l equal to 1 and 2 also. L value 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు only p orbital is applicable. L value 2 ఉన్నప్పుడు d orbital is applicable. There are 5 types of invalues: -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. They are dx, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. Thank you.